Hi everyone. While doing some videos on LoRa, I was asked about operating servo motors with Arduinos, so I made a quick video about this topic. Servo motors typically come with 3 wires and a female connector. Refer to your servo schematic to determine your wires. Take a DC supply from your controller to the test board and plug your servo in the circuit. Power your servo through its V+ and ground pins. Connect the servo signal to the pins supported by your library. On older libraries, it was only pins 9 and 10. Now we're ready to start programming. We start by including the servo library, followed by creating a servo object to control our device. We will also declare a variable to store the servo's position. In the setup, we use the attach function to indicate our pin. You can write an initial position to your servo in the setup, but I didn't do that here. In the loop, things become simple. We can indicate our position directly or calculate it. We can calculate it in a for loop or take a value from a potentiometer, but this is not our topic here. Then we will write the position to our servo pin using the write function. In this example, the servo moves to 90 and 180 degrees and then it returns to 0. Finally, we will add a delay between the positions. So that was it. Thanks for watching.